guys, welcome back to Metro Mom. I am Garima and I make videos about home decor, DIYs and lifestyle improvement. And if you like watching such videos, then please do subscribe to our channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you a small update about upcoming makeovers. So right now I'm working on the entryway makeover and the dining space makeover. After finishing these two areas, maybe I'll be taking a break for a few months and then I will start working on guest room and on my bedroom and maybe my daughter's room. But this year my focus is on entryway and the dining space. And in the process of makeover, I am buying a lot of interesting items from different websites, and recently I bought a lot of stuff from Flipkart as their big budget sale is going on from 19th of November to 21st of November. So I thought, let me share all these products with you. You guys might also find them useful, and this is the perfect time to grab all these deals. So during this sale on Flipkart, you can avail up to 80% off on home furnishing and decor. And all of these are genuine brands. They do offer cash on delivery. You can also avail easy return and refund if needed. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the haul. So the first item in my haul are these beautiful artificial carnation from 4 Walls. I've been looking for artificial flowers for really long, and most of them either were looking too tacky or they were too costly. And then I came across this bunch on a very pocket friendly price. I really loved it. It looks very beautiful and it looks very real if you look it from far, and it is not very plasticky type. They look very bad, so I hate them. And I do prefer using real flowers, but at times you are unable to step out, you need flowers, so this is for that purpose. Flipkart has a big range of artificial flowers under rupees 399, so do check them out. Low prices like never before on furnishing and decor is available right now. Second item in my haul I think is my favorite, and it is a steal deal. So I got these beautiful net curtains. Net curtains are back in style and they look really nice if you're looking for sheer curtain but you're not want to go for tissue or synthetic material. So this is a very good option. This will not only bring the light in, this will make your space breathable as well. If you open your windows, you will get proper ventilation as well. The design looks really nice, and this is how it looks from the back. It is really beautiful, and this is a set of 2 curtains. So I got this for my guest room because it has a window and I do not have a matching curtain right now. So this is what I got from the sale and I really loved it. You can now grab best deals on furnishing and decor as top brands are available at unbelievable prices. Third item in my haul are these soft and beautiful hand towels from Raymond Home. So I love using white towels for my guests, because normally when you go to hotels and B&Bs, when you get those white towels, you feel really nice and clean. They look beautiful and welcoming. So I also wanted to give my guests a similar experience. So this is why I got these beautiful hand towels from Raymond Home. The size is really nice. The fabric also feels good. And this was a good deal. Apart from hand towels, bath towels are also available on Flipkart under rupees 299. Third item in my haul is meant for my workspace. So I have a wooden chair and I was looking for a comfy chair pad so that I can sit comfortably, and I spotted this very comfy chair pad on Flipkart during this sale. I got this one in black because I am having a black as a color theme in my home. You can purchase any other color, and this is a very good chair pad, not like the ones you normally see, the very thin ones. This is quite thick, as you can see, and the tufting is really nice. I really like the look. The fabric also feels nice. So this was the third product in my haul. Apart from chair pads, cushions and pillows are also available on Flipkart under rupees 399. Next item in my haul is meant for my kitchen. If in case you have seen the latest kitchen video which I posted 2 to 3 weeks back, I will link it again if in case you have missed it. then you must have seen that I have a red and white theme going on in my kitchen, and I was looking for a matching clock but in a smaller size. And then I spotted this beautiful cute little clock on Flipkart during this sale. This is a very basic clock, but it looks nice and clean. It serves the purpose, so I really liked it. It was very low in cost, and I think this will look perfect in my space. You can purchase wall clocks under $4.99 as these are limited time offers available during the sale. Let me show you another interesting item from the haul. I was not specifically looking for it, but when I spotted it during the sale, it was available at a discounted price. So I thought, let me buy it. So basically I bought a roll of drawer liner. This is perfect for keeping your cabinets and drawers clean. You can use it in your kitchen or in your wardrobe, anywhere. You can line your wardrobe. It will give a very clean, nice and organized look. And this is a roll, so you can easily cover your kitchen or your wardrobe with these liners. These are available in different designs. You can choose any design according to your preference, and very soon I'll use it and show it to you. Moving on to next product from the haul, I got set of these two tea light holders. One of them is meant for just decorating the corners, and the one with the handle can be used in the balcony or any corner. You can hang it very easily. So I love using such tea light holders during winters. You can add LED lights or you can add tea lights. Normally they look very beautiful, and I love the star design. You can use it even during your Christmas decor or for New Year parties. So this is a very good investment. I found them at a very low cost. So this was another item from my haul. You can purchase showpieces under ₹3.99 during this sale on Flipkart. Lowest prices ever is being offered on home decor and furnishing, so grab your favorite product now or it will be gone. So we have reached the end of this haul, and last item is literally a chota packet bada dhamaka. So basically this is a cork fairy light. You can add it over any bottle. This cork section has a battery and a switch. You can simply add it over any bottle and it will turn into a lamp. So you can use it during your parties or just for decor in general, and this was available on a very low cost. Isn't it looking beautiful and whimsical? Night lamps are also available on Flipkart under ₹4.99. Shop everything at lowest priced, all under a budget. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's very interesting and unique haul. And do not miss this opportunity. Shop everything at lowest price on Flipkart's Big Budget Dhamal sale. Grab now or it will be gone. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and have fun.